Custom working through that back room already, through the ladder section, into that corkscrew, and chicane through the dive gate, and around for lap number 1. That's a heater, 23.66. He's on a 6 lap 2:21 pace. If he can maintain, put him back in that TQ position. There's Buzz with a 37.1. He's on a 4 lap 2:28 pace, which will improve him as well. And Dubs gets a 39.63. He's on a 4 lap 2:38. There's another 23-second lap from Custom. That's a 6 lap 2:20 pace. He's maintaining. Already back into that back room now. Austin having some problems in the warp tunnel. Bouncing around back there. Been there, my friend. Been there. There's Custom 24.57, 6 laps, 2:23 pace. There's Mez with a 39.55. He's still on a 4 lap 2:33 pace. Dubs gets 52.08. He's back to a 3 lap 2:17 pace. Custom with another 23.68, 6 laps 2:22 is his current pace. As he works his way through lap number 5.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Custom gets on to lap number 6, 24.19. He's on that 6 lap 2:33, 2:23 pace. Sorry. Everyone else, finish your lap and you will be done. Here comes Custom for lap number 6. Where is he? 6 in 2:23. That's going to be good enough for